Hey guys, okay, so lots of you have been asking me how to do the make your shoes fit perfectly situation, and this little lady shared it with me one time and it's worked every single time. So all you need is just like a little square of like a cotton swab, or I have a paper towel, it really doesn't matter, some rubbing alcohol, the percentage doesn't even matter, and then just your brand new shoes, never worn, and you just put a little bit of alcohol on the cotton swab, and then you'll just go along all the inside part of your shoe. So this part, everywhere along the inside of the shoe. So we're looking at the inside here, here along the sides. Okay, you don't want to put it on this part because that would just be slippery and gross, but you do want to make sure that you get inside here all the way to the toes as well. This is supposed to make the leather like a little bit softer or easier to stretch. And then after you've done that, then you just go ahead and put your shoes on and wear them. And then that actually stretches them out perfectly to fit your feet instead of anyone else's. The other secret I've learned with buying shoes is that when I buy a heel or a wedge or something that's going to be a little bit higher, a little bit more different to walk on, I will buy a full size smaller. So I typically wear a 7.5. I will buy a 6.5 shoe, do this trick with the rubbing alcohol and the pad, and it works every single time. All my favorite shoes that I own that I've broken in this way, they fit perfectly, and I never have a problem with them slipping off or being too tight. And there it is. Hope y'all enjoyed.